Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to set up Wallpaper Carousel on your Poco X7 Pro. It's a fun feature that automatically rotates your lock screen wallpapers and you can fully customize how it works. Okay, let's get started. First, just tap on settings and then just scroll down until you find lock screen, this one, and then just tap on it. And then just tap on Wallpaper Carousel, this one. And then to turn it on, just simply tap on agree, like this. And once enabled, just go to wallpaper settings, this one. And here, you will see three different options, like this. You can choose from. First, it has recommendations only. This will automatically display wallpapers recommended by system based on your preferences, and you don't need to select images yourself. And then there are wallpaper mix. These options will show both the recommended wallpapers and your own selected images from the gallery. And even you can set how often your chosen photo appears in rotations alongside the recommendations by tap on image frequency, like this. Like this. Just choose one option that you want. And then it also has a selected photo only options. This will only display the wallpapers you pick from your gallery. And for both the mix and selected only options, you can also decide whether you want to keep stories showing or turn them off by tap on this button. And for this tutorial, I will just go with recommendations only. So I will just turn it on like this. Now just go back to the previous menu. And here under swipe right to view more, you can choose what happens when you swipe right on your lock screen. You have three options: show stories, show toolbox, or show nothing at all. Just pick whichever suits your needs. And in this tutorial, I will choose stories first. And let's take out the final look. I will lock my phone and then like this. And then I will lock again. Like this. As you can see, the wallpapers change automatically like this. And if you choose stories, sweeping right will display the wallpaper stories field like this. Like this. But if you select the toolbox, on the swipe right to view more options, when you sweeping right on the lock screen, you will open up the toolbox instead. That will give you quick access to useful shortcuts like this. And okay, that's it. That's how you set up and customize Wallpaper Carousel on your Poco X7 Pro. Just try it out and make your lock screen look fresh every day. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!